I always thought I was just tired, until one day I realized I wasn't tired, I was lost. Today, you might see for the first time why the harder you try, the emptier your heart feels. We live in an age where everyone is barely holding on. We wake up already pushed to run. Numb when we run, empty when we stop. We call it tired, but the truth goes deeper.
Genesis 2 says, God formed us from dust and breathed life into us. Meaning, without that breath, we're just shells. No amount of effort can fill that inner void. That's why more rest doesn't work. Changing jobs doesn't work. Even achieving dreams doesn't fix the emptiness. Because we weren't made to live only by muscle, mind, or willpower. We live by the breath of life.
I tried to rely on myself. Resting, traveling, working out, numbing myself. My body relaxed, but my spirit felt dead. Then I finally understood. I wasn't tired. I had disconnected from the source of life. What truly brings a person back to life is not effort, not techniques, but a single breath from our Creator.
You may feel empty, messy, exhausted, but if that breath touches you again, even a lost soul can live again. If you're not tired but spiritually lost, what part of you most needs to be restored?